looking at Niederbauen Chulm, beautiful Swiss Alps. Niederbauen Chulm. The views are getting better and better. We're walking up to Niderbauen Chulm. Out of breath. Down here is Emmetten, where we parked our car. Then we go up. And up here, like here in the distance, is Urner Alps, Stockhütte. This is where we went skiing a couple of years ago, and sledding. Rigi. I think this is a place where the Swiss Confederation was formed. Where we went skiing last year, and somewhere here is Mythen, where we went hiking last year, and there is Rigi.
There are nice benches.
Yeah, that's true. Cows are gone. All that's left is their poop. We took the cable car up to Niederbauen, and then we hiked to Niederbauen Chulm, and somewhere here back to Niederbauen. there and walk down.